The Kubota 385 Tractor 2026 model. This is the tractor that's generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It's a powerful, dependable and incredibly versatile machine built to meet the growing demands of modern agriculture. Now if you're someone looking for performance, fuel efficiency and reliability in one complete package, then stick around because this tractor has a lot to offer and I'm going to walk you through every detail you need to know. Starting off, let's talk about design. The Kubota 385 has a fresh, updated look for 2026. It's got that signature orange paint with black accents, giving it a bold, strong presence on the field. The body is slightly more aerodynamic now, which might not matter much at first glance, but over time it contributes to fuel savings and smoother rides. The headlights have also been redesigned with high-efficiency LED lights, offering better visibility for early morning or late evening work, and that's a small change with a big impact for farmers working long hours. Under the hood is where this machine truly shines. The Kubota 385 2026 model comes with a powerful 3-cylinder diesel engine pushing out approximately 50 horsepower depending on the market and model variation. It's Tier 4 final compliant, meaning it's built with eco-friendliness in mind and offers reduced emissions without compromising power. This makes it a great option for those looking to stay ahead of regulatory changes while still getting serious work done. The engine is also equipped with Kubota's ECDIS, or electronic controlled diesel injection system. This helps with fuel combustion efficiency and ultimately means better fuel economy and longer operational hours before needing a refill. The transmission system is robust, offering both 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, which makes it highly adaptable for a range of tasks, whether you're plowing fields, cultivating or towing heavy loads. This gearbox ensures you're always in control. The gear shifting is smoother in this new model compared to its predecessors, and the clutch feels a bit lighter, which helps reduce operator fatigue, especially during extended use. Speaking of comfort, the operator station has been upgraded for 2026. The seat now comes with improved cushioning and a suspension system that makes rough terrain far more manageable. There's also better legroom and a more intuitive control layout. The levers and switches are all within easy reach, so you don't have to twist or stretch constantly while operating. The steering wheel is adjustable, which is a new addition that allows for a more customized driving experience. Whether you're short, tall or somewhere in between, this tractor is going to feel like it was built just for you. Now let's touch on hydraulics and lifting capacity. The Kubota 385 has a strong Category I 3-point hitch and a hydraulic lifting capacity of around 1,600 kilograms. This means you can attach a wide variety of implements from plows and harrows to seeders and sprayers. The hydraulic response is smooth and quick, which is really important when you're working with time-sensitive tasks or shifting between implements frequently. The PTO power takeoff is rated at 540 RPM and operates with impressive stability even under load. This means consistent performance when using power-driven tools like rotavators and threshers. One area where the Kubota 385 stands out is its ease of maintenance. The hood lifts easily with gas struts, giving you quick access to the engine, air filter, radiator and battery. Everything is well labeled and neatly arranged, which means you or your mechanic can perform routine service without wasting time looking for tools or connectors. There's also a digital display on the dash that provides alerts for oil changes, coolant levels and any error codes, making it easier to stay ahead of potential issues. Fuel capacity has also been increased in the 2026 model to accommodate longer working hours. The tank now holds about 60 liters of diesel, which when combined with the engine's fuel efficiency gives you extended run time without frequent stops. That's a big plus, especially for those working large fields or in remote locations where refueling isn't always convenient. Let's talk a little bit about versatility, because that's where this machine really excels. The Kubota 385 is compatible with a wide range of attachments and implements, whether it's a front-end loader for handling bales, a backhoe for ditch digging, or even a trailer for transport. This tractor handles them all with ease. The frame and chassis have been slightly reinforced for 2026, which improves durability and gives you confidence that the machine can handle tough conditions year after year. Now for those concerned with safety, the new model comes with improved rollover protection structures and a seatbelt as standard. It also includes brighter hazard lights and a more responsive braking system. The brakes have been upgraded to oil-immersed multi-disc types, which provide better stopping power, especially on inclines or slippery terrain. This kind of attention to detail is what sets Kubota apart in the compact and mid-size tractor segment. Another great feature worth mentioning is the cooling system. Kubota has improved the radiator and fan setup in the 2026 model, which means better performance during hot summer days or heavy workloads. There's less chance of overheating and more consistent engine temperature control, which not only keeps performance high but also extends the life of your engine components. Now you might be wondering about pricing. While it varies slightly depending on your region and dealer, the Kubota 385 is positioned as an affordable high-performance tractor. It's not the cheapest model on the market, but when you factor in fuel savings, lower maintenance costs, and the long-term reliability, you're getting a fantastic return on your investment. Plus, Kubota offers solid warranty options and great after-sales service, which is something to consider seriously when making a big purchase like this. And if you're still on the fence, let me say this: the Kubota 385 isn't just a tool, it's a partner in your daily farming life. It's designed with you in mind, built to handle the challenges of today's agriculture while preparing you for tomorrow. It's got the strength to tackle hard work, the smarts to save you money, and the comfort to keep you going all day long. So that's everything you need to know about the Kubota 385 Tractor 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about, or if you've already used this tractor, how it's performed for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.